Boxplant 2025, the podcast. Today, innovative technologies to improve your performance.
Welcome to another episode of our Boxplant 2025 podcast. My name is Peter Pötzl. I'm a product manager at BHS Corrugated.
And I'm Andreas Meyer. I'm in charge of the customer project engineering department.
Well, dear listeners, you've gotten to know our latest highlights over the last few episodes. What else does the Boxplant 2025 have to offer? Today, let's get a quick overview of some more innovative technologies.
Let's start with the Hyperblade. This is a feature that is important when performing order changes. It gives the possibility to keep the process speed at high level and the board stream gapless. This leads to a higher average speed and increased process safety, resulting in a better productivity. This is interesting in terms of sustainability as well, as any unnecessary change in speed expends energy due to thermal process changes. There is already lots of usage data for the Hyperblade order changes. Our customers already complete well over 70% of order changes with the Hyperblade. The majority of these are far above 300 and up to 400 meters per minute at the peak. This equals 1000 to 1300 feet per minute.
Another feature to consider when it comes to fast order changes is the fast auto aux. This means individual positioning the scorer tools at the auxiliary station. It's used for tandem orders requiring the use of two scorer sections. In the past, this meant significantly reducing the speed, which is bad for overall productivity. With fast auto aux, I can complete any kind of order change while keeping the speed at high level. It also reduces paper waste to just a few sheets. In many cases, a reduction of up to 2/3. This can quickly add up to tens of thousands of euros per year.
Now let's focus on paper technology. The new Hydrobor water spraying system enables the user to distribute the moisture in the paper consistently over the working width. Why is it important? Often, the moisture in the paper is not distributed even across the working width. This influences quality and likewise the later wear properties of corrugated board. Now, the operator can use the Hydrobor to activate each individual nozzle or nozzle group and define the precise dose of water per nozzle. This makes it possible to adapt individually depending on the local moisture and content at this point.
The next topic also has to do with quality. Let's talk about the board dimension control, in short BDC, which is used to monitor format sizes and scores as well as the thickness of the board. There are lots of customers who achieve and monitor 100% reliable quality by using the BDC. A new optimized version is being rolled out right now. We have made major improvements to the basic functions and developed new functions as well. Measurements can be completed even more quickly, for instance, meaning that even the shortest orders can be checked now. Another new feature is that the speed is automatically reduced if deviations from the target value are detected. This means the corrugator is not stopped suddenly, but the operator still has enough time to take countermeasures and minimize unsellable board. This is another step towards an autonomous corrugator.
Well, we've almost reached the end of this podcast episode. We just wanted to mention our resource monitoring, a sensor set that can be retrofitted to precisely measure the consumption of relevant resources in a process. This might not seem so spectacular at first glance, but BHS Corrugated is the only supplier to do this using actual physical measurements. This is important for your certification and your next sustainability report. In the future, a detailed evaluation and order-specific analysis from our ICOR specialists will be available as well.
And on that note, soon we will be reporting on some new technologies and services. So keep following our Boxplant 2025 podcast. Thanks for listening.